Hey everyone, welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. We're here once again with a full tour of the ongoing reconstruction at Spotify Camp Nou. And as always, before we jump in, make sure you're subscribed so you never miss any of our daily updates. We begin on the lateral side of the stadium, where the transformation continues at an impressive pace. The ceramic louvers keep spreading across the façade, while the metallic substructure now rises through multiple levels, clearly defining the outline of the new exterior. Each frame, each bracket, and every connection point is being installed with remarkable precision, as the future skin of the stadium steadily takes shape. Right next to this area, the parking ramp is already structurally complete. Surface leveling work is now underway, with crews compacting and shaping the base layers. The central zone along the lateral façade is almost fully leveled, with only the final surface layer left for a later phase. Everywhere you look, the alignment of beams, mounting plates, and façade supports highlights just how methodical and carefully planned this transformation truly is. We now move toward the south goal, which remains one of the fastest-moving sectors of the stadium. The metallic framework for the ceramic louvers now covers large sections of the exterior, giving this side a clearly defined curved profile that becomes more evident with every passing day. Workers continue fine-tuning each mounting point, carefully preparing the entire surface for the next wave of installations. New platforms, pathways, and structural bases are being shaped. This area is quickly catching up with the lateral side in terms of exterior progress. If you're enjoying these detailed updates, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds. It really helps the channel grow and ensures you don't miss any future progress. We then move inside toward Tribuna, where some of the most technically complex work is taking place. One of the most important recent milestones here is the installation of the second section of the long escalator system. With this piece now in place, one full escalator line is nearly complete, and at the current pace, the second line should follow very soon. Across this entire area, reinforcement work continues steadily. Crews are strengthening platforms, adjusting structural joints, and preparing the interior spaces for the expanded layout of the future stadium. This is one of the most detailed and demanding zones of the project, but step by step, it is clearly taking on its final form. We finished today's tour at the north goal, where both exterior and interior works continue to advance side by side. Outside, the curved façade frame keeps rising, shaping the wave-like form that will define this entrance in the future. Alongside it, the ramp is also progressing, as crews shape new access routes designed to handle the massive flow of supporters entering through this gate. The diamond-shaped structure continues to rise as new layers of concrete and steel reinforcement are added, giving this architectural feature more definition with each phase. Nearby, the cafeteria area is also beginning to take shape, with reinforcement bars rising for the pillars and the aluminum framework for the future glass façade already installed. And that wraps up today's full tour from Spotify Camp Nou. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a daily update. Your support keeps MegaVerse Builds alive and growing. See you tomorrow with even more progress.